Heshan City, located in the south of the province civilization, rich Pearl River Delta region of Guangdong, Guangzhou, Foshan, and other areas of communication, and 325 National Highway, Jianghe, Jiangzhou, and Fokai Expressway, vertical and horizontal road, runs through the city. Convenient transportation and development economic. Heshan OUHE Furniture Company Limited is located in Heshan, Jiangmen City. It covers an area of 30,000 square meters. OUHE Furniture is an omnibus company which specializes in furniture design, manufacture, and selling. After 3 years high development, the company is composed by 3 districts: Metals Production District, Semi-Manufactured Goods and Product Shipment District, Sofa Production District. OUHE Furniture has powerful selling platform. There is factory office, Longjiang Marketing Center, 2 showroom shops in Lutong, marketing network throughout the country in Hebei, Shengfang, Xianghe, Chengdu, Shenyang, Kunming, and Nanning have opened a warehouse and store. The company has got ISO 9001 certificate and ISO 14001 environment. The company has modern manufacturer station and the first-class advanced production equipment. Our company is the first to import 30 sets automatic robots from Japan, with 30 sets specialized equipment. The back seats, arm leg, and arm of airport chair are automatically soldered by automatic robots. Thus, the products can be more stable, attractive, and durable than the manual solder. The automatic robots can be uninterruptedly working 24 hours so that it can immensely increase capacity. PU polyurethane foaming machine, also with 3 high-rate edge machines, backplate punching machine stroke per minute rate of 320, and the fastest piers in the production process, faster than the pier 1/2. And the introduction of the most advanced PU polyurethane foaming machine, China. The latest machines never plug the rotary valve type filling head. With perfusion flow, measurement accurate, stable performance, can produce a variety of different sizes of different colors, different hardness of foam products. In addition, our company has own development complete production line, which include product design, mold development, and product package. So it makes our own design and produced furniture have its fixed scale. The modern mold room has 7 sets of 3-line cutting machine, milling machine, drilling machine, 7 big shape, 18 R&D personnel. R&D capability in the industry's premier. Is the best partner for supporting engineering. The production of sofa is strictly controlled of the quality. All the process is completed in factory, so that the quality is controlled by well of us. Our company mainly produced the series of iron, stainless steel, and aluminum alloy airport chairs, office sofa, relaxation sofa, negotiating tables, chairs with glass tables. The series of airport chairs are our main products. PU has formed a new style of complete series and the full range of high-grade project series. The average output of airport chair can be reached of 5,000 units per day. Production capacity is the highest in the market. Office sofa has many new high-performance cost ratio designs, best-selling, exported to dozens of countries around the world. A variety of functions and materials supporting the tea table can meet your different requirements. Our products inherit European and American latest industry design ideas to make the product's design most superior and high cost effective. We are the best project supporting suppliers. We, OUHE Furniture, welcome all the domestic and foreign customers here.